Finally we made the complete website. So log out here. So checking here what is the role. So this is the role is admin. So same role we log in same role. Just click this. This is our home page. This is our courses page. This is our pricing page. This is our instruction page, instructor page. And this is the enterprise page. This is the about us page. This is blog page. This is career page. This is contact page, privacy page, terms and policy page, and also the cookies page. So now we are going to log in. This is the login and this is the register. So here sign in, here forget password. Hello viewer, we are creating complete LMS website via Next.js. So we are checking the LMS website structure. Core LMS website structure is pages, home page, our platform, course, about us, courses, and pricing, contact page. Also the resource or sign up student multi-structure role, log on, log out, reset, email verification, enroll course, progress tracking, upcoming deadline, notification, create, manage course. Okay, revenue page, and assignment we are doing, and also course structure. So this is the structure, the video player, download resource, and discussion, comment, progress bar, and mark lesson complete, assignment, quiz, assignment, auto grading or manual grading, certification and completion. Also the user info, password, learning history, payment history, admin panel. So user management, course approval, content moderation, report analytics, payment and subscription management, and also the payment subscription management, course versus subscription plan, coupon discount, and payment gateway integration. Also the communication system, notification, email, NF, messaging, student structure, and announcement. So we are starting the completing from this class. So this is the source filter also. So this is the technical issue we have built. So starting our new website. So go then click here, create Next.js, and single command. So full script I also provide in their GitHub account. So I'm starting from this class, so you can ask now. So this is my this is LMS. Now creating this file. So check this time is present time. So this is full complete folder is making from the command. So check here. So making this from here. So you should do it now next time. So we have to wait how much time here need to install. So now install it completely. So we are need to go the cd LMS. So open the code. So our application is opening here. So you can check here. Our application is here. So all data this is here. So our next command is sorry. There is a mistake. So need to install the Prisma. So wait. So same command I put here. So here I putting all data. So putting the Next.js auth adapter, bcrypt and variant and hook, also the video, also the strip, also the UI React, also the Redis UI React drop down, also the React tab, the variant authority, the several package we have installed from the single command. So need to wait, the full command is here. So we need to wait to install. So package is installing here. So this is the public package Next.js. This is not installed. App is blank completely. So this is the Next.js default package, default page. So we'll work now. So we should wait. So list of the tasks we are creating. So we are creating another LMS. So getting this LMS is our database name is LMS. So database is completely blank. So now comes here and set up the env create the MySQL root, and so this is the our already set up. So we are going to the next command, php next generate button click. The issue is completely validation process. So we will solve this process. Just copy the issue and paste here. So we need to delete this line, then again try. The issue is another issue comes here, so copy the issue and paste here. Finally we made the complete website. So log out here. So checking here what is the role. So this is the role is admin. So same role we log in same role. Just click this. This is our home page. This is our courses page. This is our pricing page. This is our instruction page, instructor page. And this is the enterprise page. This is the about us page. This is blog page. This is career page. This is contact page, privacy page, terms and policy page, and also the cookies page. So now we are going to log in. This is the login and this is the register. So here sign in, here forget password page. So this is the backing login page. So just our role is set already, admin. So click the dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard. So this is the system, do user management, course moderation, final CL laser. Here's the Python show, platform setting, also the profile page. This is the profile page also. So now I am log out from the admin. So I am doing now, this is the instructor role. Now instructor role, just same login page, just click the sign in dashboard. So this is the all automatically log in the instructor page, or automatically going to dashboard instructor. So course manager, student, revenue, profile setting, also create course option we have. So just course manager, courses / create. So this is the course create, and this is our profile page. So also the password and profile data here you can update. So we are log out from here now. So another role is student. So student role is here. So now same login page, just click this sign in. So the automatically student dashboard goes. So courses, landing page, certificate, profile. So here also my course options. So profile page, it's here also you can update password and profile data. So this is the complete dashboard. Here you can log out. Thank you.